On Tuesday, 20th September 2022, the Environment Coordination Committee of Elaka Sutnga, East Jaintia Hills District, recently submitted a memorandum to the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K Sangma, on an action plan on offending coke oven units established before the 23rd December 2020.
Conrad K Sangma, pertaining to the frame of an action plan regarding the offending coke oven units established prior to 23rd of 12/2020. Because now we have been fighting for these coke plants for the last 1 year, and we have come to the conclusion, and NGT also have given the judgment in favor of the people, in favor of the ECC as well, and the NGT also have given a direction, and the NGT also slapped the government. They say that the government did not pay any respect to the life of the people. As per the finding of the NGT, it's found that all the coke plants which have obtained the CTO prior to the 23rd of December 2020 are all located within the human habitation area. So therefore, and in that judgment, at the same time, the NGT also have given a direction to the government to adopt or to frame an action plan towards the coke plants who obtained the CTO prior to the notification. So the main thing that in the judgment that the NGT placed that the notification regarding siting norms of coke plants in the state of Meghalaya, which was notified on 23rd of December 2020, says that it should have a retrospective effect. That's mean for all those coke plants who obtained prior to that date also, they have to abide with that siting norms. So in this regard, and NGT says that the government have to adopt or to frame the action plan within 4 months from the date of the judgment. So judgment was passed and on the 8th of July, and is going to expire of the 4 months on the 8th of November. So in this regard, we went to a different concerned regulatory department asked to inquire whether action plans has been adopted or has been framed in this regard as per the direction given by the NGT. However, we are surprised to learn that none of the departments have take initiative or have take any action regarding towards the judgment. So in this, at the same time also with the ECC, we place the suggestion of 9 numbers of the adoption or the action plan. At the first, that the action plan and its implementation shall be carried out within the period of 4 months, that is before the 8th of November 2022. Second, that all offending coke oven units established prior to 23rd of 12/2020 and have obtained CTO but could not meet the siting norms as provided should be closed down before the 8th of November 2022. Third, that if relocation of such coke oven units would be a part of the action plan, no coke plants should be granted with permission to operate within the Elaka, Sutnga or East Jaintia Hills District. If designated places have been made thereof in any part of the state, it should be far enough from the human habitation area. Fourth, that the government should not declare any area or place as industrial area or commercial area within the Elaka, Sutnga or at any circumstances. Fifth, no cluster of operation of coke plants should be granted with permission, and all standalone units should not be converted into cluster. Sixth, no coke oven plants should be granted with permission to operate within the Elaka in the near future. Seventh, on expiry of the time frame given under, all offending coke oven units should be given with direction to dismantle and to recreate, restore the place and surrounding. Eighth, that environment compensation which have been imposed to 31 different offending coke units altogether, computing up to 5.5 crore, must be finalized before the 8th of November 2022. Ninth, the said amount may be compensating to all the affected area of the villages as to restore the damage that have been caused to have been caused by the coal plants. So these are the 9th action which we plan, which we have proposed to government. We hope that the government will finish and finish the frame the action plan within the stipulated time period given by the judgment of the NGT. And if government do not comply in this regard, I think action, the consequence would be very bad from in the district.